Okay, I'm going to write what is probably by now a familiar spell to anyone who's been following the YouTube channel. It's the beam spell, but I'm going to customize it, actually. So I'm going to specify the particle asset, the Unreal particle asset that is used for that beam spell. And yes, and we get the this classic one. So one we've seen in previous videos, several previous videos. And what I've been working on today, though, is to be able to mod content in the game, to add content that didn't ship with the game. Basically, content created by users, not by me. So let me do a demo of that. And what I will do is actually open another Unreal instance. Open up the Unreal Engine here, and then I'm going to open up this project called CodeSpells Particles that has just a particle called Purple Fire. And actually that should work now because I've already built that. Let's try it. So instead of this CodeSpells plugin Beam and Laser, let's try, it's going to be the name of the mod, CodeSpells Particles /P Purple Fire. So if that works, we should see some purple fire. Yep, that's the purple fire particle that I created earlier. But now I'm actually going to add another one. So again, the game's running here, and I'm also creating an asset in Unreal right now. So let me just do something simple. I'll copy purple fire, and let's use the really nice Unreal particle editor here, maybe just to change the color this time. Let's change the out val to something else. I can only barely tell the difference there. That's a little bit of a reddish tinge there. I can see a little bit of a greenish tinge there. Let's change this one as well. There we go. Okay, so that's noticeably different. So I'll save that. Save. Close it. I'm going to rename it. Notice the name. We're going to use it in just a moment. So instead of Purple Fire 2, let's call it Green Fire. So it's called P_Green Fire. And now I'm just going to build this. I'm going to package up this project, and I'm saving it in a folder called CodeSpells Mods. Really can go anywhere, but just so that you know that that's where it's going, CodeSpells Mods. And it'll take a few minutes to package up. I might skip over this in the video. Now, I can't run it yet because I haven't put that the mod file in the appropriate place, but let's go hunt that down. So it was on the desktop in CodeSpells Mods, and essentially I want to hunt down the PAK file. So the PAK file is essentially a mod file. That's what I'm using for mods. I'm going to put it here, and this is actually, I didn't show you the code that was doing it, but this is the PAK file that was being loaded before. I'm going to, I'm going to get rid of that. Oh, it can't because it's open. I guess because it's open in my game. Okay, well I really wanted to do this without shutting the game down, but let me go ahead and shut the game down because otherwise I can't delete that file. Close window. Alright, so let's delete this old one. This one is the one that just popped out of my build from inside of Unreal. So now I have a new CodeSpells Particles PAK file. I'm going to now run my CodeSpells demo again. So this is a minimal build of CodeSpells that allows for moddability, spellcasting, and whatnot. Notice the terrain is just this platform right here. But what I'm going to do now is open up the spell editor. Let's do the beam that worked before, which was CodeSpells Particles /P_Purple Fire. And that should be the same as before. Let's just test that out. Yep, purple fire there. Now, if this works, if it loaded in that new PAK file, I should just be able to change this and we should get green fire. Yeah, look at that. That's it. That is the asset that we just created inside of Unreal a moment ago. So notice the mod deployment pipeline is very quick, and you can almost immediately put new assets into the game via spells. So I'm very excited about this. I think it'll help the community create new content for the game very quickly, which is really what CodeSpells is all about. We're all in this together, and we are all wizards together.